In this video, I will show you how to deploy this website we made on the previous video. So, by the end of this video, we will be able to access this website in the internet through a URL link. As you can see, if I search this link in my browser, it takes me to the website. So let's get started. So make sure your HTML file is nameindex.html. Otherwise, you will experience problems later trying to deploy. If you have multiple HTML files, make sure the main one is named index.html. Next, click this 3 dots, select Terminal, and select New Terminal. This opens a terminal in this project. Next step is to push this project to GitHub, so open GitHub. If you don't have a GitHub account, create one. In your GitHub account, click the profile icon, then select Repositories. Next, click New. Then type a name you want to call the repository. I'll call mine Prac. Leave the rest as default and click Create Repository at the bottom. Now that the repository is created, we will push our project here. An easy way to do this is copy this first command, git init. Then go back to the terminal in our project and paste it there, and press enter. Then after that, type this in the terminal, git add dot, and press enter. Next, go back to GitHub and copy the third command. The one starts with git commit. Paste it in the terminal and press enter. Next, copy the second last command, one that starts with git remote. This contains a link to this repository. Paste it in terminal and press enter. Next, copy the git branch command and paste it and press enter. Finally, copy the git push command, paste it and press enter. This pushes the project to GitHub. Now go back to GitHub and refresh. You will see all the files there. Now that our project is on GitHub, the next step is to deploy it. We will use Netlify to deploy our website. So go to netlify.com. So you will just create an account on Netlify. Once you create one and log in, you will see a similar layout. Here are some of my projects I have already deployed on Netlify. So click Add New Project and import an existing project. Now select the source of the project, in this case GitHub. So you will authorize your GitHub account. Once authorized, you will see all the repositories from GitHub in Netlify. So let's look for Prac. Click the repository. Then write the name you want to be your website domain. The name might be not available if it is already taken, so it must be unique. Leave the rest as default and click Deploy at the bottom. Next, click here. Then click this green button to view the website in the internet. So copy the URL. That is the link to your website. If I try to open the link I copied in Chrome, I will be able to access the website. And that's it, your website is already in the internet. Anyone can access it with the URL. If you would like to know how to build this modern glass morphism portfolio website, view the video on my channel as we build it from scratch. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with others who might be interested. See you in the next video.